The average memory of a SIM card is that it can store just about 64 KB in subscriber info, text and contact details. During the production of Toy Story 2, Pixar accidentally deleted the entire movie from its servers. The movie was saved by an employee, a new mother who worked from home and had the data saved on her personal computer. Disconnecting people from the internet is a human rights violation according to the United Nations. The first motherboard was invented by IBM and was known as Planner. One kg of uranium can power most cities for weeks or the entire city of New York for 2 days. A man in China built his own dialysis machine to keep himself alive for 13 years. Bear Grylls broke his back after falling from 16,000 feet due to a torn parachute. Doctors said he would not be able to walk again. 2 years later, he climbed the Mount Everest. A photo of a man standing in front of his home, yet it seems he is not alone in the house. A black and white image of a man in a jacket appears in the window behind him. NASA hires a man named George Aldrich to sniff everything that they send to space. If it doesn't like the smell, it doesn't go to space. The largest cheeseburger ever made weighed 777 pounds, created for the Alameda County Fair in California. In 2011, the giant burger contained 50 pounds cheese, a 272-pound bun, and over 1.3 million calories. One of the greatest minds of humanity, Albert Einstein, believed that ghosts are real. He said all the energy of the universe are constant, and since this energy cannot be destroyed, this can be transformed into new energy or creation of ghost. There is a mass reservoir of water floating in space that is 1 lakh times bigger than our sun and holds 140 trillion times more water than all of our oceans. For 20 years, a cat served as mayor of an Alaskan town. Kinder Joy, which is popular among kids in India and sold in worldwide market, is actually banned in USA for almost 50 years. Even if you try to enter the USA with Kinder Joy, they can fine you with more than $3,000 and can get jail time too. A Russian pilot allowed his 16-year-old son to sit at the controls of the plane. His son accidentally disabled the autopilot. The plane then crashed and killed all 75 on board. The hanging of Mary the elephant, who was publicly executed on September 13, 1916 for killing her circus handler by stepping on his head. Last photo of Laika, the first dog to be sent into space. The spacecraft she traveled in was made for a one-way trip. She died from overheating after a couple of hours alone and scared. One of the China's richest men, Jack Ma, buys 28,000 acres of US wilderness to protect it from the logging and mining industries and turn it into a wildlife sanctuary. The US Army is making high-altitude balloons that can block enemy communications from the sky. The brazen bull was a punishment in ancient Greece. The victim was put in a bull made up of bronze and a fire was set under it, heating the metal until the victim was roasted to death. One night, I was babysitting my friend's children. The youngest drew a picture of a woman hanging from the ceiling, looked up at me and said, "She told me to draw this. She's coming for you. Hide." Al-Hutayb is such a strange place. It is located west of the Yemeni capital Sana'a. The village is located on a hill at an elevation of 3,200 meters. does not rain in the area as it is higher than the clouds. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.